can you execute? That's the question. Because no matter how good your TA is, no matter how good your risk management, position size, and all is, the question is, can you execute that plan? Can you hit that cut loss button when it's time to cut? Can you hit that buy button when it's time to buy? Because without that execution, wala tayong pinag-uusapan dito. Long-term trades, wala tayong pinag-uusapan na short-term trades, wala tayong pinag-uusapan dito na pangmahabaan. So while a lot of traders just focus on TA, focus on psychology, focus on risk management, nakalimutan yung execution. So ngayon, paano mag-i-improve yung executional skill? Paano ba namin magagawa yung execution skill? Well, sadly, here's the sad news. Wala pong nabibili niyan sa butika, yung executional skill na yan. Pero that can be developed through time and experience sa market. Meaning to say, kailangan nyo mag-practice. Kailangan nyong harapin yung market. Pagka nag-practice ka na nag-practice ng tama, nag-in-improve mo ng in-improve yung system mo, ginawa mo ng ginawa yung execution mo, eventually, yung executional skill mo, tataas.